Welcome to LOGUS for Beginners, the first part of the best-selling English course on Udemy. LOGUS is a very intensive spoken English course in the form of a cartoon, designed for people who are tired of learning the language from those boring textbooks and listening to nerdy teachers. It was created for people who want to finally learn to think in English and to speak it fluently, just like their native language. You think it's impossible? We'll prove you wrong. This course begins with the most basic things you need to start speaking, and it gradually goes into the intermediate level towards the end of the course. And the best part is, you start speaking instantly, right from the first lesson. Isn't that cool? And make no mistake here, this is not your supplementary short course. This is a full-blown course that guides you from the very basics of the English language to the intermediate level, step by step. 100% of the lesson is speaking in a form of a dialogue. You listen, answer and ask questions, and immediately see if you've made a mistake. And if you did, nothing to worry about, because you will repeat every grammar construction so many times later on that they will all be recorded directly in your brain without drowning you in the grammar rules. Where it's necessary, you'll be given very clear and simple explanations of essential grammar. And at the end of each chapter, you will take a milestone test to check your progress. You will learn over 1,000 of the most important English words and phrases. And by learning, I don't mean memorizing. I mean learning in such a way that you can use them effortlessly in your speech without thinking. Each lesson you'll be hearing and saying over 1,200 words. That amount of language practice is enough to make you a fluent speaker in no time. And just imagine how many more job opportunities you will have with fluent English like this. And this course is a must-have component for you if you're planning to take IELTS or TOEFL tests in the future. So, if you want to stop speaking English like a potato when traveling, studying, or when talking to your business partners, this is the right course for you. Buy it now for this special promo price before it goes all the way up. And with the 30-day return policy, this is a safe bet. Click that buy button right now and learn to speak English once and for all.